CapSim Simulation Masterclass, Online Lecture Script, Part 4 of 4, Title, Post-Round Analysis, Adding New Products and Planning for Long-Term Success Studio Microphone. Welcome to Part 4 of our CapSim Capstone Masterclass. Now that you've submitted your Round 1 decisions, it's time to analyze your results and make informed adjustments. In this session, we'll cover 3 key topics: post-round analysis, what to look for after each round, how to add new products strategically, long-term planning for simulation victory. Let's begin with analyzing your Round 1 results. Slide, post-round performance review. After each round, your first stop should always be the Capstone career. It's your window into what happened, what worked, and what didn't. Pushpin key metrics to check. Contribution margin, is it above 30%? That's a sign of healthy profitability. Market share, did it grow compared to round 0? Emergency loan, did you get one? If yes, you spent beyond your means. Inventory, did you stock out or have excessive leftover units? Let's take an example. Say you're managing the traditional product table, your forecast was 1,400 units. You produced 1,400 units. You sold out, but your potential market share was 24%, and actual was only 18%. Interpretation? You could have sold more if you produced more. Next round, consider increasing production or raising your price to balance demand. Pushpin pro tip: review the customer survey score and customer buying criteria. If your score dropped, find out if your specs drifted from the ideal position, your product aged too far, you priced too high or too low, awareness/accessibility declined due to low promo/sales budget. Use this feedback loop to refine your decisions each round. Slide, strategic product expansion, when and how to add new products. Now let's talk about new product development. In CapSim, you can introduce new products at any time. This is especially effective in fast-growing segments like high-end, performance, or size. Why add a new product? To serve unmet demand in high-growth segments, to diversify your portfolio, to extend market coverage and accessibility. Pushpin. But here's the catch: launching a product is expensive and takes time. You must design the product in R&D, allocate capacity and automation in production, forecast launch marketing expenses. Let's walk through a practical example. Slide, step by step, adding a new size product. Suppose you want to add a second product in the size segment, where customers want very small, highly compact sensors. 1. In R&D, click Add Product. O name, let's say ASIS O. Choose the segment, size O. Set specs for round 2, e.g., performance 5.4, size 8.6, O. Set MTBF, 19,000, between 16K, 21K for size. Hit Recalculate. Your revision date might land in June 2023, meaning it'll be ready next year, round 2. 2. In production, allocate capacity. O. Estimate demand. Let's say you forecast 10% market share. O. Industry demand, e.g. 2,347 units, times 10% equals 235 units. O. Add 300 capacity to prepare. O. Set automation to 3.0, lower equals faster R&D for new product. 3. In marketing, O. Set price, promo, sales budget for round 2, when product is live. O. Leave it blank for round 1, product isn't ready yet. 4. In finance, O. Expect high cash needs. Increase long-term debt or issue stock to fund launch. Summary, plan at least 1 round ahead. Add capacity in R&D specs early so product is ready next year. Slide, long-term strategy and competitive positioning. Winning CapSim isn't about perfecting 1 round, it's about compounding smart decisions over 8 rounds. Here's how to think long-term. Pushpin capacity planning. Add capacity steadily where needed. Avoid stockouts in growing segments. Use overtime wisely, but not excessively. Pushpin product lifecycle management. In segments like traditional and low-end, keep products for longer. In high-end, performance, and size, reset products every round to stay fresh. Pushpin margin focus. Keep contribution margin above 30% across all products. Use price control plus automation plus spec optimization to manage costs. Pushpin market share growth. Your best benchmark is market share. Are you consistently gaining? Introduce new products where you see unmet demand. Use aggressive promo/sales in early rounds. Optimize later pushpin financial stability. No emergency loans, ever. They ruin your stock price and financial score. Raise funding early in the game via long-term debt. Pay down in later rounds. Aim for strong EPS, earnings per share, ROE, and stock price by round 8. Slide, strategic mistakes to avoid. Let's quickly go over a few common pitfalls. Crossmark mistake 1, overproducing in round 1 leads to bloated inventory. Crossmark mistake 2, dropping MTBF too low leads to lost sales due to poor reliability. Crossmark mistake 3, forecasting too optimistically leads to emergency loans. Crossmark mistake 4, ignoring customer criteria lowers survey score, kills sales. Crossmark mistake 5, raising automation too fast slows R&D for segments like high-end. Always double-check your revision dates. Forecast logic and financial projections before submitting each round. Slide, advanced tip, dual product strategy. In the second half of the game, rounds 4 to 8, you can adopt a dual product strategy in growing segments. For example, in the high-end segment, Atom, existing product optimized for 2-year-old age, low price new high, new product optimized for 0-year-old age, premium price. This lets you cover the entire segment, capturing both cost-conscious and performance-driven customers. If managed well, it maximizes market share and accessibility. Slide, practice makes perfect. Finally, remember, CapSim is a simulation. The more you play, the better you'll understand the cause and effect relationships between decisions and results. Pushpin practice rounds are your sandbox. Use them to test how automation affects labor cost, how aggressive pricing affects survey scores, what happens if you underforecast or overproduce. Take notes, learn fast, and improve round by round. Closing slide, final words. Let's summarize what you've learned in this 4-part masterclass. In Part 1, we explored the structure and goals of the CapSim simulation. In Part 2, we analyzed the Capstone courier and situation analysis. In Part 3, you made strategic round 1 decisions in R&D, marketing, production, and finance. In Part 4, we reviewed post-round performance, how to add new products, and long-term winning strategies. Direct hit. Your goal is to build a well-run company that consistently meets customer needs, grows profitably, avoids costly mistakes, outperforms competitors in market share and stock price. Thank you for joining me in this journey. I hope this masterclass gives you a solid edge in the CapSim Capstone simulation. Good luck, and go win that game. Fastest support TO. Get top results $9.99 for CapSim. Email, bahelp2002@gmail.com. Blog, https://capsimguide2021.blogspot.com. Free Excel file for all 8 rounds. Download from blog or send the email. Online quick support Q&A equals WhatsApp equals https://bit.ly/3silp9u. Whole game support equals $50 for 8 rounds equals top results.